So today I have Ieva here, and Ieva, she has a big dream. And now we're going to show you the structure of magic, how to begin with the end in mind. Ieva, tell me about your goal.
I always had a goal to run a marathon, 42 kilometers,
Oi, that's a lot.
street marathon.
Okay, so you really want this?
Yeah, I have it in that's not my biggest dream, but I want this.
Yes, okay. So I want to take you right way here to the end, the goal.
The goal.
The end in mind. Okay, so we are in the goal. We have run the marathon. You have done it. It's already done. You passed the finish line and you reach your goal. How does it feel?
It feels very good. I'm satisfied. I am full of energy, even I'm tired, and a lot of sounds, a lot of people around, music, drums.
Okay, because when we are in the end now, like in the goal, it's very important to trigger three things. Like, what do you see?
Yeah, see a lot of people and runners and persons coming and media and lights
cool.
and colors
And what do you hear? What is the noises
yeah,
or the
it's
sounds?
good music and drums and cheering up and speaker sounds and people.
How does it feel in your body?
My body is like totally tired, I exhausted, but in the same time feel good, satisfied.
Because you did it.
I did it.
You are in the goal.
Yes.
You started with the end in mind right now, right here, right?
Yes.
How much do you want this?
I want this.
Okay.
Yes.
So we have a couple of chairs here.
Yeah.
And I want you to come and sit down on this one. Because this is the now situation. So this is right now, right here.
Okay.
So what do you need to do actually to reach that goal? Because now in your mind you know where you are going and you have a fire for that and you want that. You have your values as a resource and what more do you have here in the now situation?
So I need to start a training,
Yes.
physically run. I need to choose when I will run.
Yes.
What is the deadline? When is the street
You
marathon?
have to find a
I
street
need to
marathon.
find street marathon date. And actually I need to make a decision to do it.
Yes. Have you done it before?
I have done half marathon.
But that's good enough.
That's good.
That's like half of it.
Yeah.
Right. So you have one chair up here. And this is your past, your history.
I have it.
It's your experience.
It's a good one.
Yes, what can you dig from your experience and your history that was good that you can bring into the now situation?
Definitely I have a skills of running. I know how to run, I know how to breathe, and I have good muscles since I have in school was
Good.
having
So
sport.
what did you do before to run that half marathon?
I had a trainings, very regular basis.
So
Like-
a regular schedule?
Yeah, regular schedule. I had my training shoes, what is
Training shoes?
specifically for the asphalt. I have
Perfect.
them. And I had, I have done it, so I have this feeling in my body. I know how it is when you cross the finish line.
Yeah. Did you have any experience, like what was really, really important?
Really important, do the routine.
The routines.
Routines.
Okay, that's great. Good, you have a lot of experience.
Yes.
Let's go back into the now situation. So now we brought all your experience in here right now, right? And you actually said some things that you need and that you actually can do right now to make a plan.
Yes.
Okay, so what would be step number one? And remember, it's like small steps. So,
First step, I need to go to the internet and find a date when I will do the marathon and make a decision actually to book a ticket for that marathon.
because what
Why?
marathon would you? Stockholm, Riga, New York?
Oh, let's choose New York.
You want New York, right?
I want New York.
Okay, so you have to go in and find the date for New York Marathon, and if
Yeah.
it's possible to
If
go
it's
there.
possible, check the ticket.
Okay, and what else can you do?
I need to clean my shoes, and tomorrow morning I need to start to run.
So that's the plan.
That's the plan. Plan the schedule. How much I start with 2 kilometers, 3, 5, and so on.
Okay, so now you have a good spirit for it, right?
Yes, I'm.
But you
shaking.
know, after a couple of days, and it's raining and it is very bad
a lot
weather,
of job and a lot of cakes.
motivation goes to cakes or something else,
yeah.
right? So let's go back into the goal and
Okay.
end in mind. Because this is the key actually to get the motivation going the right direction. It is to go all over again into the goal. And what do you see now? You have done it. The goal, you reached it. Everything is perfect. What do you see?
I have me, myself from the side. I see how I'm happy, satisfied, probably even crying and exhausted, but really, really happy.
What are all the sounds around you?
It's a lot of music, it's a lot of people, it's happiness, it's joy, it's electricity in the
Wow.
streets.
So I actually see that you need to stand up.
I need to stand up.
Yes, that's good. So now you finish over the line, the finish line.
Yeah.
You pass it, you're in your goal. Okay, so how does it feel now?
It feels great. I'm like, I have done it. I am amazing person who had set goals and reach it.
Yes, and this is actually the structure of magic. Always begin with the end in mind, because here is the motivation, and here is the flexibility and the inspiration. And when you can see it, hear it, and feel it, it's easy to go into the now situation, pick some things from the past, and then move forward to the goal.
And then actually I cannot stand because I need to run now.
Okay,
It's
let's
feels
go.
in my body. Thank you.